welcome to another exploring haunted video. Woo, haunted, yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another exploring video. Now today's slightly different. It's like a slightly different format, hence why I'm also starting here. I've got a few things to explain to you first. So the first thing is, why am I actually starting the video like this? So I've just recently got back. I've done my previous two exploring videos. So I've done a part 1 and part 2, which are on my channel, and if you have missed it, links are in the description below. You guys absolutely loved it, and them two were in Bosnia. And while I was over there, we actually went and explored another thing, which was part of the initial hotel. It was an underground parking area where it used to be an underground parking area. Obviously due to the war, it's not anymore. But I never included it before in part 1 or part 2 or as a separate video, because while I was on holiday, I was just too busy to do certain things. I've used the last 2 or 3 days just to settle down. I've actually got a new setup, so if you want to see a new setup video, let me know in the comment section below. And I finally found time to sit down and start editing this video. And what it is, as you can guess by the title, is exploring the underground parking area or underground garage, whatever you want to call it, of this hotel. I'm not going to ruin the video, obviously you have to find out what happens, but it was the most freakiest one we've been to, so more scary than part 1 and part 2. So smash the like button for me if you do enjoy the video. Let me know in the comment section below, do you want to see a part 4? Now I'm back in the UK, let me know suggestions where to go, either in London or I'm based in Surrey, so anything around here, let me know in the comment section below. So I think I have covered everything. Once again, if you do enjoy it, hit that like button. Let's get into the clips. This is the underground garage area. Can you just give me the torch? Okay, so we're going to go into there. I want to actually see something. I want to see some sort of signs or something. So let me just twist this torch just to get a better view. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Oh yeah, flipping hell. Look at that. It's like a handprint, but someone smeared their hand. And there as well. Wait, does it say anything? Let's have a look. Just a numbers. There's numbers here.
Phone number. What the?
Wait, what's that? What's that? What's that? That? What is that?
What's that?
It's a bag, isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh my word! You can see down there. There's that noise. There's a bag. There's a bag there. There's actually a bag there. And that looks like a fresh bag. Stop, 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 stop. Move, move, move. Hello? If there's anyone in here, give us a sign. Oh. If there's anyone in here, give us a sign. Oh. Oh. It's Tina Bosanski. Hey. Alaikum. There's a bag down there. What do you want to do? Look, there's some belts again.
Door.
Where's the door?
Here.
Oh my god, there's a door. Fucking hell. Wait, let me get this breaker. Hi guys, there's a door there. Oh my god, there's food. Look, there's food.
Hello. Alaikum. Alaikum.
Wait, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Yeah. Oh my god, this is freak as fuck.
fuck. Hey, what's under there?
Another hole.
Oh yeah.
Left corner.
Oh yeah, let me go. Is anything there?
Should we first throw something on the bag?
What?
Should we something throw on the bag?
Yeah, throw something at the back. Wait, stand back.
This looks so scary. Another hole.
There's another hole there. Flash down, oh god. Yeah.
Just explore the bag.
No, do not explore the bag. So guys, I'm speaking really quietly because I don't know what's over there. This is freaky as fuck. It's like an underground garage. There's some evidence that people have been here.
This is not sleeping.
Give me torch. Someone was sleeping there. Oh my god, I heard something.
Wait.
I definitely heard something there.
We should see now what it is.
I definitely heard something there. I don't even care. I heard something. And it wasn't the water drips. It was like a I don't know, something scraping the floor. Alright, we're gonna call that a day. Guys, that was the underground garage thing. I'm gonna call that a day because there's more stuff over there. Move away from here, come. Because that was weird. There was some towels down there. So I think someone was sleeping down there. There was food, there was like some fresh like canisters of food and they weren't dirty at all. So it seems like as if someone's like, you know, licked it clean. So yeah, no, today was definitely way more freakier than, as I said, part one.
So guys, that is the end of the video. As you can see, I was super freaked out at the end. We heard so many noises, footsteps, scraping along the floor. I was not going to go any further in. When there's people in there, you just cannot go in. Knowing someone that could just be around the corner, it could be anyone with a weapon. There might not be a weapon, but it could be anyone in there. You just cannot enter. I'm pretty sure, 99.9% sure there was someone in there. How them noises were occurring without anyone being in there is just beyond me. Also, there was food there. It just proves that someone was in there with food around, etc. So I wasn't going to go anywhere near that. So once again, if you have enjoyed the video, smash a like button. Got football videos coming out, a lot of new exciting videos coming out as well. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.